In modern warehouses, forklifts are indispensable tools, but they also pose potential safety hazards. Globally, numerous accidents occur each year due to interactions between forklifts and pedestrians. How can we ensure warehouse traffic safety? This video will guide you through key measures. In warehouses, coexisting forklifts and pedestrians create multiple risks. 1. Obstructed visibility prevents drivers from spotting pedestrians. 2. Narrow spaces increase collision risks. 3. Blind spots during reversing endanger nearby pedestrians. 4. Sudden braking or operational errors may cause falling loads. To mitigate these risks, we propose 5 effective strategies. First, standardize the following 3 points. Separate forklift and pedestrian zones with clear markings. Install guardrails in hazardous areas and convex mirrors at blind spots to improve visibility. Operators must check surroundings before reversing and use spotters if needed. Maintain low speeds and avoid overloading to prevent tipping. Pedestrians must stay in marked zones and maintain a safe distance. Always heed forklift alarms like horns or warning lights. Trajectory tracking systems monitor forklift routes. Sensors detect pedestrians and trigger alarms or automatic braking. Smart traffic systems optimize warehouse flow to reduce risks. TechNect has developed a comprehensive intelligence system. Major companies like P&G, AB InBev, and SLB are leveraging TechNect's forklift management system to optimize their fleets and prevent accidents. Head over to www.technectglobal.com to explore further and schedule a complimentary demo. All staff must receive safety training on forklift protocols. Operators require certifications and regular refreshers. Cultivate a safety-first culture through drills and accountability. Implement daily forklift inspections and maintenance checks. Ensure workers wear PPE like reflective vests and safety shoes. To access comprehensive forklift management resources, including Forklift Daily Inspection Checklist and Operator Training Manual, visit the link in the video description below. Warehouse safety depends on everyone. Through smart planning, strict protocols, technology, and training, we can create a secure environment. Let's work together for safer workplaces. Download forklift management resources now in the video description. Include Forklift Daily Inspection Checklist, Forklift Operator Training Manual, Forklift Periodic Maintenance Plan, Special Equipment Forklift Management Rules and Regulations.